Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
After armored and mechanized columns, Indian and Chinese infantry soldiers have begun to disengage from the Kailash range in the south bank of Pangong Tso. The process is set to be completed by Friday. The Indian Army has released visuals of the ongoing pullback showing soldiers of the PLA dismantling their tents and camps and carrying loads to light vehicles. Large group of soldiers can be seen de-inducting and vehicles moving towards the rear with troops and equipment. The visuals also show the Chinese earth movers, or JCBs as we call it, to restore soil that was dug up to set up various pieces of infrastructure on the north and south bank of the Pangong Lake. According to the disengagement deal agreed by both India and China, all landforms have to be restored by both the sides. Sources said the disengagement process is on the right track, and as per the agreement, soldiers have started withdrawing from the heights in the southern bank, which were occupied in an operation on the night of 29th and 30th August. The withdrawal is taking place from the Gurung and Maga hills, besides Brechingla and Razangla on the southern bank, and from the Finger area on the northern bank. Sources said that both India and China are pulling back according to the agreement. The first focus on the southern bank was the armored and mechanized columns. China has in total withdrawn about 200 such vehicles. India has pulled back too. Now the focus is on infantry element, the sources said. As reported on Monday, the Chinese have already dismantled the jetty at Finger 5 and a helipad and are in the process of taking down tents and observation posts. Sources said that while the disengagement process is on, the verification is being done through unmanned aerial vehicles and satellites. The next round of Corps Commander level talks is to be held 48 hours after the withdrawal from the banks of the Pangong Tso. It is completed to the satisfaction of both the sides. China has pulled back armored and mechanized columns and troops from the south bank to the Rutog military base, where the PLA had developed a lot of infrastructure during the standoff. After 9 months of standoff, India and China had finally agreed to disengage from Pangong Tso, and the withdrawal was initiated last Wednesday. According to the disengagement agreement, the troops around the lake will go back to pre-April 2020 locations, that is status quo ante. On the northern bank, Indian soldiers will move back to the last permanent base in the Finger area, that is the Dhan Singh Thapa post of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police near Finger 3. Chinese troops will go back to their permanent Srija post, which is beyond Finger 8, a location that was captured by them in the 1962 war. However, disengagement from the strategic Depsang Plains, Gogra post, Hot Spring area is yet to be finalized. This is Snehesh Alex Philip from The Print. Do follow us on social media and subscribe to The Print on YouTube channel.